Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Year 1 presentation assembly. Yes, we're here at the end of this half term. As you can see, it's Friday the 28th of May. And we're here to celebrate all the children in Year 1 who've earned themselves certificates working so hard over this past 7 weeks. And you'll see in a moment, there are a lot of them. So well done Year 1s, you superstars. Come on, let's start off and let's find out. Here we go, look at these PE stars, look at these. Straight in there, bit of fitness, being healthy, good for our mental health. Look at these guys, look, you've got Mason, you've got Penny, and you've got Noah. You superstars, look at you, good. You're looking ready to go as well, aren't you, eh? So really well done, you three. Enjoyed taking your certificates home with you today. Huge clap for you all, well done. Look at these geography stars. So they've been working really hard on geography in Year 1, really finding out all about the United Kingdom and all where it sits, where it is and within the world. So fantastic. Major cities in both Scotland, England, Wales and Northern Ireland. So it's really, really good work that's going on in there in those Year 1s. So we've got Bartos, we've got Caden, we've got Noah, we've got Anna Maria and we've got Rayleigh. Look at you guys, absolutely amazing. You see they've all labelled them up as well and found out exactly, look, find out where England is on the world. So really well done you guys, huge congratulations. Enjoyed taking those certificates home with you, you superstars. I'm sure you'll be able to find your way home as well because you're so good at geography. So really well done guys, well done. Oh, here we go, look at these phonics stars. So these children really, really developing their phonics and reading beautifully actually, so it's amazing. So we've got Gracie May, we've got Maxwell, we've got Alita, we've got Toby, we've got Rebecca, we've got Adama, we've got Marley Ray, and we've got Tasnim. Look at you guys, eh? Absolutely brilliant. Loving your books, loving your reading. Keep working hard on your phonics because that just all then develops into this very, very brilliant readers which we'll have in amongst these Year 1s. So well done guys, huge congratulations. Big cheer for you all, well done. Our reading stars. Now these children, not only will they get a certificate, but they're going to get a reading book to take home as well. Lucky children, so you'll have a nice book to read over half term. We've got Scarlett, we've got Teddy, we've got Vitteris, and we've got Marcy. Yes, with Mog's Bad Thing. Look at you doing all your reading anyway. Look at you guys reading away. Your Ruth Mission book. Fantastic guys, and I hope you enjoy your books and your certificates. Really, really well done. Math stars, these mathematicians, you can see the maths going on here. Look at the maths these guys are doing. Big smiles on their faces while they're doing it as well. So we've got Honey, we've got Kobe, we've got Lily, we've got Sophie, Sophia, Jack, Scarlett, Monica, Danelius and Beatrix. Look at you guys. Look at the maths that's going on as well. Fantastic guys, really well done. The maths mastery is working superbly in Year 1, so really well done. And you guys, well deserved certificates. So well done, enjoy taking those home today. Oh, here we go, maths. Oh, look out. Some more mathematicians in Year 1. Look at these guys. Look, massive thumbs up for Alex. Yes, Alex, I agree. Good sorting there. So we've got Alex, we've got Suleiman, we've got Nikita, we've got Jack, we've got Henry, we've got Adil, Eliza, Awesome, and Ben. You super mathematicians, you. Absolutely brilliant. Massive smiles on their faces as well. Nice, Nikita. I like what you've done there. Brilliant. Keep it up, guys. Enjoy taking those certificates home with you today, you superstars. Well done. Here's our English stars. Look at these guys. You can see that. Look at the writing that's going on. It's amazing, Year 1s. Blown away here. Fantastic. Well done. Sapphire. We've got Emily. We've got Lola. We've got Ethan. We've got Scarlett, Olivia, Ava, and Logan. Look at the handwriting, Logan. It is beautiful. All of you guys. Superb. Well deserved. Enjoy your certificates and huge congratulations. Give them a big cheer, please. Well done, guys. Moving on, reading, here we go. So the other reading Year 1s, these guys are going to be taking their reading books home with their certificates as well. So well done, congratulations guys. So we've got Casey, we've got Mantadas, we've got Tudor, and we've got Isla. Look at you guys, hey? Absolutely superb. So really well done guys. Enjoy your books and enjoy your certificates as well. Brilliant. PE, look at these two. You can see these two. They are so fit. They don't stop when they're on the playground, running about, being really active. We've got Lexi and we've got Mimi. Massive smiles on their faces as well. So really well done. And this half term as well, this holiday, get out in the sunshine and really enjoy that and get yourself super fit as well. So well done you two. Proud of you both. Geography stars. Again, look at these geography stars here. Look, we've got Freddie, we've got Caitlin, we've got Dennis, Crystal, Alexia and Woody. Well done guys. Really knowing your way, knowing how to get to places, knowing about England, Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland. It's amazing guys. So really well done and great geography skills this half term. Keep it up. Here it is. Oh, look out, here we go. House points. all of those children now as well have been earning merits and house points. Look at these. We've got the top 3 in each class. Look at these guys. Look at the number of house points as well they've earned. Look at this. You've got Scarlett on 101. You've got Mason here on 102. And Lily just in the lead on 103. Look at these 3. Look at Miss Beckham's class. Amazing number of house points. Really well done, you 3. Miss Marshall's though, we've got Logan on 97. We've got Emily on 103. And then Alex just topping on 108. It's a phenomenal number. Because if you look at that, that's their house points. So basically, if you look at that, you times that by 5, that's how many merits they've earned. They are just working solidly, non-stop. So really, really well done. Let's get those 6 standing up in class now. Let's give them a massive cheer and a massive round of applause, please. Come on, you guys. Get yourselves up and give you a big cheer. Really well done to be topping up the league and to be earning that many house points. Really proud of you. Well done. Superstars. Attendance League, here we go. On to the Attendance League now. Let's find out where these year 1s are today, shall we? Come on. So, in 14th, 13th, 12th, look, we've got Mr. Pinner, Miss Arthurton and Miss Barrett. No sign of any year 1s just yet. Oh, in 11th, 10th and 9th, so Mr. Ackerman, Miss Howkins, Miss Begum, there's Miss Begum, look, 9th place, well done Miss Begum, moving up the points slowly. Then we've got 8th, 7th and 6th, we've got Miss Ruffle, Miss White and Mr. Davison, again, doing really, really well. So it's just Miss Begum still, no Miss Marshalls just yet. Let's have a look. Oh, look out, in 4th place, look, Mrs. Cook and Miss Musselwhite. So still no Miss Marshall, so where's, come on, let's see. There she is in joint second place with Miss Percy. Year 1s in joint second place with year 6s. Fantastic, Miss Marshall. Really well done on 61 points. And topping out the leaderboard as well is just Miss Hall there on 79. They've won that. But in second place, well done, Miss Marshall. Huge cheer for Miss Marshall's class. Really well done. Really proud of you and keep that up. And I know Miss Begum will be looking to move up that leaderboard as well after half term as well. So well done, year 1s. Keep it up, please. Keep coming to school every single day because it's really important you don't miss any days. Well done. Well done, everyone. Fantastic. Well done, everyone who's earned a certificate today. I'm really, really proud of you. I know your mums, dads, aunties, uncles, grandparents. Let's spread this YouTube video as far wide as we possibly can. Get as many views as possible and likes as well, please, everyone. Enjoy half term. We've got a week off. Children are back Monday the 7th of June. So we're all back in on Monday the 7th of June. We've got 6 weeks then until the summer holidays. Until then, everyone, have a fantastic half term break and we'll see you all then. Bye-bye now.